Hey guys, and welcome at Test and Review. So it's time for another interesting tech review that we have today for you. It's the Lenovo Yoga Pro mouse, and here's the box. But before we proceed with the actual unboxing, it's the first time that we will open this stylish mouse. Let me kindly ask you to subscribe to this channel. I will really appreciate your support, and of course, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. So let's begin with the review. What is Lenovo Yoga Pro mouse? It's a stylish mouse which is quite comfortable. It's a full-size mouse which has high DPI. It is ergonomically designed, and it has dual Bluetooth 5.0 connection with Swift pair. So basically you can switch between two machines that you operate with this mouse, two computers, which is a quite a convenient feature for those of you who are using one, let's say, desktop and one laptop, and you want to use one and the same mouse. And now let's start with the unboxing and see what's inside. It's pretty basic packaging that you see here. Pretty basic box. And let's see what is inside. What's inside the box? It's a bit tough to get in there, but we'll make it, I'm sure. There you go. That is all the contents that we have. And now let's see what's inside. So the mouse, we'll put it on the side for a while, and some documentation, some leaflets, something like that. And here is the magic moment with the Lenovo Yoga Pro mouse. Let me just put this on the side. And yeah, they are correct. It's a pretty stylish mouse. Let me just turn it this way so you can see it, and this way, and this way. Pretty stylish mouse, and it looks quite ergonomical. As you can see, it's pretty big. Not the biggest of the mouse that I've tested, but it's definitely not a very compact mouse, which is a good thing. Two side buttons, the DPI switch, and the scroll button. So, and the Type-C. Surprisingly, there's no cable inside, even though we have a lot of cables to test this, but it is charged. It has a built-in battery, and it's charged via this Type-C connection. And this is basically the mouse. It is in light blue or teal or whatever they call this modern color these days. And let me tell you a bit more about the mouse and its key features and its specifications. So it's a full-size mouse, and it has comfortable grip. As you can see, my hand lays down on the mouse quite comfortably, and it has a blue optical sensor that tracks on most surfaces, so that's a good thing. You have the power switch and the switch between the first and the second computer that you're using, and this is the power switch. It is quite silent, to be honest. Now I'll shut up for a second so you can hear the clicks from this mouse. That is really silent. And now the side buttons. They're a bit louder, but that's expected. But the main two buttons here are pretty silent, which of course is a good thing. Also, it has on-the-fly DPI with 3 stages and adjustable via software up to 4000. So here's the DPI switch, and it has 3 modes. It is also a bit louder than the main two buttons and the scroll wheel. And you can adjust it. It has 3 presets, but via software you can adjust it even more. And the connection is Bluetooth 5.0, which is the modern standard these days. It's rechargeable, and they claim with less than 2 hours of charge via the Type-C connection here. Actually, on the other side, excuse me, here you can get up to 2-3 months of use, which is fantastic if it's true. So it's the first time we open the mouse. I'll have it tested probably for a couple of weeks, and I'll report how is the battery performance. If it lasts over 2 months, that would be just amazing, Such a long durability from the built-in battery would be just amazing. And now I will show you how to pair your Lenovo Yoga Pro mouse with your computer. So first of all, you need to switch it on from here, push it up. Then you need to activate Bluetooth on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer just by clicking here, and then you click on the Bluetooth icon, and then you have the Yoga Pro mouse listed here. We click on that, and hopefully it will connect. Probably need some time. Let's see. And now it is connected, even though in Windows it doesn't confirm that, but it is connected. Let me show you. So here I move the mouse, and yeah, right screen, clicking some stuff. And as you can see, we've paired it with the Yoga Pro 7i, so a good combination between Yoga mouse and the Yoga computer. Thank you, Lenovo, for producing these. And yeah, these are the main features and specs of this mouse. It's a beautiful mouse. I hope it's going to be durable, unlike some Lenovo products that I've tested in the last couple of years. And also, I think it would be a good fit for the Lenovo Yoga Pro 7 that we will be using in the next couple of weeks and testing it. So it's a good combination between the two Yoga products, the Lenovo Yoga Pro 7 Ultrabook and this mouse. And I will share more impressions and consumer feedback from this product. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate this. And stay tuned for more interesting reviews. I'll post a link in the description below with the full review in our product review blog, testproductreview.com. Stay tuned, and I see you later.